ladies. Hi, Beibu. If I'm getting that right, can you please unmute your mic? How are you doing today?
Hi, Aisha. Hello.
I can hear you. Thank you for that, Emmanuel. Hi, welcome, ladies. Welcome, HP. HP, is that your name? I'm guessing that you did not change your display name. Hi, Hawa. It's nice having you here again today.
Hi. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Hi, Mora. Hi, Faith. Hi, Zini. So before we kickstart today's section, I just want to say that I have dropped the materials in the community. That's the resources that we used in yesterday's class. I have shared it in the community and you can access it in bootcamp resources. So when you enter the community and you see bootcamp resources, you can access the resources there, right? So you can see the resources there. Thank you very much. So yeah, today is day 2 of our introduction to blockchain series. That's for the women edition. Oh, sorry, that was a mistake from your email. Oh, that should be corrected. We had a class yesterday. Baby, have you joined our Telegram channel? We had a class yesterday, so sorry. That email, it was a mistake. We were supposed to put day 2/27th. So sorry about that. Um, okay, you're on Telegram. Kindly check our previous chat. We had a class yesterday. We had a class and I already shared the materials from that class. That's the resources that we used in that class. That's PowerPoint and the recording section because all our classes are recorded. So you can access that on the Telegram channel. See it there. So yeah, you're welcome. Without further ado, today is day 2. We have 4 days for this class. Hi, Percy. Welcome. Thanks for joining in. Hi, Kerry Wagamati. Thank you for joining in. Yeah, we wouldn't take long. I just wanted us to start at 5:07 when other people has joined in so that we have more people in the class, right? We are how many now? We are 11 on the call. Yesterday we were close to 20. Oh, we are now 12. Hi, Bombella. Welcome. Thank you for joining in early. Hi, Zini. I met some of you yesterday. I met Sylvia, I met Hawa. There are some people that are supposed to be yesterday and I'm yet to see them. I've not seen Aisha. I've not seen I've not seen Kendra. Or is it Kenera? I saw her yesterday. Welcome 83291854406. I'm guessing that you didn't change your display name. If you're free, you can do that so that we can call you by your name. Hi, Stacy. Welcome, Stacy. Thank you for joining in. Glad to have you here. So we'll just wait for 2 more minutes and see if 2 more people will join in. Then Mr. Michael can kick off. Mr. Michael is our instructor, and I read out his bio yesterday. In case you don't know, if you received the mail, you see Mr. Michael's bio in the mail. He's somebody that has taken people on blockchain development. He has worked with Tech for Dev, and he's also working with LinkedIn Learning. So yeah, you are in a very good hands, right? So once it is 5:07, we will get started. Yeah. So I don't know if anybody wants to unmute their mic and tell me how their day was before 5:07. Okay. Nobody wants to unmute. Nobody wants to unmute. Okay, let me call. Hi, Stacy. How was yesterday's class? Can you hear me?
Hi, Shat. Yes, I can hear you.
So how was
Um,
yesterday's class for you?
Yesterday's class was pretty insightful. At least we learned how to handle, or basically through the demo sites, we were shown the basic infrastructure and what blockchain really means. So I'm hoping to learn a bit more today, and hopefully by the end of the bootcamp, uh, figure out if I want to continue with the 6-month course.
Okay, great. Hi, Hawa. How was yesterday's class? I mean, after a while, we can then kickstart the class.
Hi. The class was okay for me. I'm still trying to get a hang of it, which I believe I'll be able to, get more information today. Yesterday was just like an introduction, introductory class. So
Yeah,
pretty much
sure.
optimistic.
Yesterday was more of an introductory class. Thank you very much. So yeah, I think we are on 507 now. Welcome, JB. I'll just pass the mic to Mr. Mike so that he can do his magic. Hi, Mr. Mike. The mic is yours. Welcome, Karen.
I like that concordance, Miss Aisha. Thank you, Mr. Mike. The mic is yours. Yeah. So I'm handling the mic now. Mike is handling the mic. You are welcome once again, everyone. And yesterday was an introductive part of blockchain. All right. And today we are going to be diving deeper into the core structure of blockchain. Okay. So I'm going to be sharing my screen. Okay.
I just joined their bootcamp for blockchain, like
Please mute your mic.
development.
Mute
Just want
your
to have
mic.
idea of, as a product
Um,
manager, I'm supposed to
okay,
know
I will,
some.
I will mute your mic for you, Ayo. Thank you. All right, I'm going to share my screen. We can see your beautiful face, Miss Aisha. I don't know if you're aware that your face is up.
Oh wow, let me just sorry.
All right, please let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, I can see your screen.
All right, thank you. So, introduction to Remix IDE. Okay, so let's know about the software that we use in blockchain development. Okay, and one thing you need to know about is Remix IDE, and that's where we're talking about it today. What is Remix IDE? Okay, Remix IDE is a web-based integrated development environment. So should in case someone asks you the full meaning of IDE, then you should know that it is what integrated development environment. So Remix IDE is a web-based integrated development environment for what? For building, one, testing, two, and deploying of smart contracts on Ethereum blockchain. I will reiterate. Remix IDE is a web-based integrated development environment for building. So we use it for building, we use it for testing, and also lastly, we use it for deploying our smart contracts on Ethereum blockchain network. Not necessarily Ethereum blockchain network. You can use it to deploy on other networks too, like Binance Smart Chain Network, Polygon Network, name it. All right. Now, it is an open source tool widely used by Ethereum developers. Okay, so they are telling you that this software is an open source software and it is widely used by what? Ethereum developers because it offers a rich set of features to streamline the development process of Solidity smart contracts. So this Remix IDE actually makes writing of smart contract. I'm trying to explain all this I just read to you. Okay, so this Remix IDE makes writing of Solidity code very, very easier. There are different ways of writing Solidity code. You can decide to write it locally on your PC, while you can also write it on Remix IDE. But one of the advantages of Remix IDE is that it makes your writing of Solidity code very, very easier. And also debugging where the problem is coming from is easier compared to if you are writing this thing locally. Okay, so that's why most of my smart contract based code, I make sure I write it on what? On Remix IDE. Because when it comes to debugging, one thing that frustrates developers the most is when your code has an error. Oh my God. When your code has an error, you will be racking your brain. Where is the error coming from? Where's the problem coming from? What am I going to do to debug or solve this problem? Okay, that's where Remix IDE comes in. Please give me a second. 1 second. Yeah, so sorry about that. So Remix ID actually makes our work as a smart contract developer to be what? To be more easier. Okay, so it's an open source tool, don't forget, used by what? Ethereum developers, and it offers a rich set of features to what? To streamline the development process of Solidity smart contract. Don't worry, I'm not here to bamboozle you with theory. We are going to be writing some Solidity smart contracts. So, put your mind at rest, okay? We are doing the theoretical aspect, and we are also doing the pragmatic or the practical aspect. Yes, follow me as we move along. Next slide. Key features of Remix IDE. What are the key features of Remix IDE for smart contract development? Okay, for smart contract development, we'll write and edit Solidity smart contract directly in the browser. That's one of the advantages. We'll write and edit Solidity smart contract directly in the browser. All right. Also, it supports multiple Solidity versions, making it easy to experiment with different versions and ensure compatibility. If you have to do this locally, right, you have to go to settings and readjust your, what's it called, your Solidity compiler in order for you to, adjust the Solidity version. But on Remix IDE, oh, we have up to like 20 different versions. How do you want it? Remix will give it to you back to back. Okay, so Remix is actually a very good platform to practicalize your Solidity smart contract code. All right, next slide. Real-time compilation. So there's an instant feedback with real-time compilation as you write your code, helping developers to spot issues quickly. So as you're writing your code, it is automatically, it will tell you where the problem is in your code. If you make a typographical error, it will tell you this one is not supposed to be like this, it's supposed to be like this. It's going to correct you instantly, and you are going to debug the problem instantly. So this makes your work faster and more easier. So that's why we'll talk about the real-time compilation. Remix makes that easier for you to do. Next slide. Smart contract testing. Okay, so it provides a testing environment to simulate transactions, deploy smart contracts, and interact with them in a virtual Ethereum network. All right, so this Remix IDE provides what we call a testing environment to simulate transactions so that you can see what is going on, okay, and deploy smart contracts and also interact with them in a virtual Ethereum network. Okay, next thing is that it has a built-in support for unit testing with what? Mocha framework. What is Mocha framework? Mocha is a JavaScript framework that we use for testing smart contracts. Okay, I believe you all have been hearing of attack in blockchain. You hear that social protocol has been attacked and they were able to steal a particular sum of money. How many of you are aware of that? Have you heard of attack in blockchain before? And the attacker will leave with a lot of money. How many of you have heard that news before? Yes, Karen. Hello, Karen. Yeah, please, if you want to talk, you can raise up your hand. Let me stop sharing. Let's quickly hear from you guys. Karen, yeah, Karen, let me hear from you.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, Karen.
Yeah, I've heard of attacks before. Yeah,
That's
that's
good.
what I wanted to say.
Oh, okay, that's good. That's good. So who else have attacked before on the blockchain, and the attacker, stole away a lot of money? Who else? Yes, the Bombella. Hi, Bombella. Yes, you can
Hi,
unmute
good
yourself.
evening.
Hi, good evening.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that I've heard of attack.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, so one thing I just want to clarify is that although, thank you, you can mute your mic. There are attacks going on the blockchain network, right? But it is not the blockchain that they are attacking. What are they attacking? They are attacking the vulnerability in the code that a smart contract developer wrote. That is what they are using against. So it's like you have a code. If you have a code and your code is vulnerable to a particular attack, then the attacker can use the code against you in order to, siphon some funds. That's why anytime we write the smart contract code, we try our best possible to do what? To do unit testing. We test very well. That's where that thing I made mention of the other time, which is Mocha framework from JavaScript, comes into play. We use that in testing our smart contract to look for loopholes and vulnerabilities. Yeah, we also have what we call Foundry. Foundry, I don't know if you have heard of Foundry. Foundry is also used to test for any loopholes or vulnerability in the smart contract code. Okay, writing a smart contract code is easy, but the other thing is to write a secured smart contract code. I created a course on LinkedIn Learning about smart contract ethical hacking, whereby there is this company that was able to raise millions of dollars in Ethereum, and someone broke into their vault and siphoned their fund. The person broke into their destiny using what we call reentrancy attack. Okay, so in that course, I teach about reentrancy attack and how to prevent it. Okay, so you can check it out on LinkedIn Learning. You can check it out on LinkedIn Learning. If you go to LinkedIn, you can just type Michael Fowley. That's my name, Michael Fowley. Okay, if you go to LinkedIn, you are going to see that course. So you can take the course and try it out. Okay, it's free of charge. You can try out the course, and you'll be able to learn more about what we call ethical hacking of smart contracts. So that's just by the way. I'll continue sharing my screen now, and we'll go back to the slide. Let me share my screen. Does anyone have a question before I continue? Any question? Any question? All right, so if no question, I will go back to the slide and we'll continue. So we have talked about smart contract testing, that it provides a testing environment to simulate transactions, deploy smart contracts, and interact with them in a virtual Ethereum network. Also, it has built-in support for unit testing with what Mocha framework, which is a JavaScript framework. And let's talk about deployment and interaction. Deploy smart contract to Ethereum testnets like Rinkibai, Kovan. There are many like that, but some are deprecated. Okay, so what's it called? Remix IDE provides an environment for us to deploy our smart contract on a testnet. Okay, so we have many testnets. It can be Rinkibai, Kovan. There are many like that, and even the Ethereum mainnet. Yes, with minimal configuration. Everything has been configured for you. You don't have to stress yourself. Okay, so interact with deploys contract directly from IDE using a user-friendly interface. Yeah, you are going to see it now. We will visit Remix IDE, and you'll see that it is user-friendly. Why do we have to use Remix IDE? Number one, it is user-friendly. Number two, it is quick to set up. You can set it up quickly. And number three, for educational purpose, it is very, very good for beginners. Yeah. So let's go to Remix ID. To go to Remix ID, it's very, very, very easy. Okay. So let's go to Remix IDE. All you have to do is to go to Google. Okay. So go to Google and type remix IDE. That's all you need to do. Are you following me, ladies? Yeah, remix IDE is the enter button, and that should take us to different options that we have. Remix IDE, ladies. So type it in your browser, Remix IDE, go to Google, type Remix IDE. So as you can see, we have the first option here. Click on the first option, please, which is remix.ethereum.org. Okay, remix.ethereum.org. So click on it. Remix.ethereum.org. Remix.ethereum.org. Okay, are we on the same page, everyone? If we're on the same page, drop it in the comment section. We are on the same page. I want everyone to go to Remix right away. Okay, everyone go to remix.ethereum.org. So let's do that, everyone. I need more comments in the comment section. Remix.ethereum.org. Okay, let's do that, everyone. I can drop the link for you if you don't mind. So you click on accept. And if you are faced with this module, you can just click on learning, discovering, Web3 development. Okay, let's see which mic is disturbing us. So you will see all these ones, you can just cancel them. Okay. Click on readme so that the file you are going to create with what is going to show here. Okay, I want my file to show here. All right. Are we together, everyone? Are we together? Please unmute yourself and talk, or type it in the comment section. Are we together? All right, that's good. We're on the same page. Yes, that's good. That's good. So let's go through these icons one after the other. This is the Remix default home page. I can cancel this one. Okay, this is Remix default home page. And if I want to create a new file, right, just hover on this side, you are going to see create a new file. Okay, can everyone see create a new file? Yes. So you click on create a new file, because before you can write any smart contracts, you need to create a new what? A new file. So let's create a new file. And we are going to name our new file. Okay. I'm trying to reload my remix. So you name your file, you can name it your name.sol. Any Solidity file ends with SOL extension. Please do not forget .sol. If you are naming it Mike, it has to have .sol. Please do not forget. All right. So I'm creating my own file now, and I'm titling it one dev.sol. Can you see it? Hit the enter button. Okay, one dev.what? .sol. All right. So when you are writing a Solidity code, the first thing that you have is Pragma Solidity. That's the first thing you are going to have. Okay, I want to make this thing to be big so that you can see very well. Pragma space Solidity. Okay. Pragma Solidity. Then the version, for the version, you can impute 0.8.0. Okay. Pragma Solidity, the version is going to be what? 0.8.0. So it's asking me for source file requires different compiler version, blah, blah, blah. I can just add a caret to this, and so that will solve the problem. So are we on the same page, everyone? Are we on the same page? Are we on the same page? So I need everyone to write this pragma solidity. Then you use this caret. This caret is for 0.8.0 and above. That's what it means. Okay, that we are going to be using solidity compiler 0.8.0 and what and above. That means 0.8.1, 0.8.2, blah blah blah, like that. Okay, that's just the meaning of that. Okay, so everybody, I want you to write pragma solidity, then this caret 0.8.0, copy it and drop it in the chat box. Let me see if you're on the same page. Okay, copy it, drop it in the chat box is a way of testing if we are on the same page. So let's do that, everyone. Let's do that. Pragma solidity, the caret, and 0.8.0. Yes, you ladies are brilliant. I love you all. You are brilliant. I love the energy you are giving me. Yes. Keep dropping it. Keep dropping it. Keep dropping it. Keep dropping it. Yes. Drop it. More comments. Yes. More comments. I'm still waiting. Drop your code. Yes. Drop it. Yes. Keep dropping it. All right. So that's just a way of writing a smart contract, which is pragma solidity, then the solidity version. You don't have to cram it. Okay. It follows a particular path. 0.8.0. Remember to put the caret so that it will not show you an error. And that's all. What's the next thing for you to do? The next thing is to create the contract. Okay? The next thing for you to do is to create the contract. So let's create the contract. You just say contract, okay, followed by name of contract. What do you want to name your contract? I want to name my contract. Let me look for the name of someone here. Bella. Okay, let me use Bella's name. Okay, I'm going to use Bella's name. So contract Bella. Okay, then you will have a curly bracket. Contract, the name of the contract, and what? A curly bracket. So you open it up like this. So you are done writing a contract. Okay, very simple. Pragma solidity, the version, then contract, the name you want to give the contract, followed by a curly bracket. Do we understand, ladies? If you understand, drop it in the comment section. I understand. Let's drop it in the comment section. I understand. This thing is very simple. I understand. Just drop it in the comment section. I understand, so that I can be sure that I'm carrying everyone along. Yes. Drop it. I understand. Yes, that is the key word to use. That's the right key word to use. I understand. Yes, keep dropping it. I understand. That's the right keyword to use. There's only few people that has dropped I understand. Others, what are you doing? I'm waiting for you. All right. So now that you understand, I want you to copy this code that you have from Pragma Solidity to contract Bella, copy everything and drop it in the chat box. All right, that's what I need from you now. copy everything and what? Drop it in the chat box. Let's do that, everyone. Let's do that. Yes, that's good. That's good. Keep dropping it. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. I'm still waiting. Yeah. That's good. Keep dropping it. Keep dropping it. Huh? Yes. Keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it. Yes. That's good. Yes. I like the fact that you guys are using your name to name the contract. That's good. That shows that you understand it. Yes, I like that. I like that. Keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it. Yes. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Keep dropping it, keep dropping it. Yes. Keep dropping it, keep dropping it, huh? Okay. I'm still waiting. Yes, that's good. That's good. That's good. All right, let's move forward. Let's move forward. So if we want to display something in our contract, let's say we want to display a string in our contract, what are we going to do to make that possible? Let's say if I want to say, I want to show this is, you can say Mike is a good programmer. Okay, so this is what I want to display. How am I going to display this word? What am I going to do? It is very, very simple. What you can do is to save this thing up in a variable. Okay, you can save it up in a variable like this. You can say string what should I name it? Or someone should give me a name. Okay, string variable is equal to, you have a quotation mark and you end it with a semicolon. Okay, string variable is equal to my, so I'm just saving it up in a what? In a variable. Or you can call it anything you want. You can call it A, you can call it B, you can call it Z, whatever you want. Just call it something. All right, so I'm saving this entire word up in what? In a variable called Z. Do we understand what I'm trying to say? Do we understand? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? I'm saving the entire thing up in a what? In a variable. That's what I'm trying to say. Now, how do I know that this thing is going to be a string? How do I know that this variable is going to be a string? That's one of the things you need to know. Okay, if it's a number, okay, if it's a number you are dealing with, then it's a unit. Okay, but if the variable you are dealing with is a combination of maybe numbers and alphabet, that's alphanumeric, it is a string. If it is just alphabet, it is also still a string. So this is a what? This is a string. Are we together? Are we together, everyone? All right, more responses, please, if we're together. I'm trying to break this down so that you all can get it. I don't want to leave anyone behind. All right, I think we can proceed now. I have many yeses now. Okay, so now that we are done writing our smart contract, the next thing is to save it. But in Remix IDE or in smart contract development, we don't call it, we don't call the word save. What we do is we compile. Okay, so it's just a change of English. We what? We compile. So you can click on auto compile. If you click on auto compile, anytime you write something, it will automatically save it for you. Okay, automatically compile whatever you have done. So instead of Control S in Microsoft Word, we call it compilation, to compile something for you. So even if you press Control S there, it is going to compile for you, because Control S and compilation means the same thing. Now that you have compiled it, it means that you are ready to deploy your smart contract to a blockchain network. That's just the meaning. Once you are done compiling, the next thing to do will be to deploy your work to a test network. All right. Okay, someone said I should repeat the compilation. All right. Compilation is like you writing something. Okay, my name is Mike. If you write my name is Mike and you did not save in Microsoft Word, will you see it again? If you did not save and you close it, will you see it again? No. So the same thing applies to blockchain. All right. After you are done writing your smart contract, you make sure you compile. Okay. Compilation means that you are trying to interpret it to machine language. After interpreting it to machine language, the next thing will be to deploy it to a test network or a main network. Okay, so we want to deploy this now. Shall we? Let's deploy it. So this is for compilation. If you click this place, you will see compile, just click on it. But we advise you to be on auto compile. So you can just check auto compile, check the box, so that automatically, if you do any changes, it can compile. Okay. Yeah, you're welcome. Let's deploy, please. Let's deploy. Okay, so this is the deployment section. Just leave the settings the way it is. You have no, you have nothing to do here. Don't do anything here, okay? So just scroll down to where you have deploy and deploy. That's all you need to do here, okay? Scroll down to where we have deploy and click on deploy. And if I drag this up, can you see I have my contract has been deployed already? If you scroll down, scroll this down, okay, down, 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 you are going to see this section. And if you click this greater than symbol, you will see that your contract has been deployed. But this thing is not showing what I want it to show. I need it to show Mike is a good programmer, and it's showing nothing. Why is this not showing anything? Who has an idea? Why is this thing not showing anything? Can anybody guess? Why is it not showing anything? Any idea? I need it to show something. Why is it not showing? Any idea, please? Any idea? Any idea? I'm waiting. Just try. Give it a try. All right. It is not showing up. Okay, someone has dropped an idea. Let's check. You did not print it out. No, well done, you tried, but it is not that I did not print it out. What happened is that I did not set the visibility identifier. Okay, we haven't called the function. All right, thank you. We haven't set what we call visibility identifier. We need to set this variable to be what? Visible. All you just need to say is public. Okay, so if you set it to public, okay, make sure you delete the one you have deployed before, because it will mix together. So go back to your compile contract. I'm on auto compile. So it has compiled already for me. If you are not on auto compile, if you did not check this box, you have to click compile. Okay. Next, you click on deploy, and let's deploy again. If you deploy again and you scroll down, click on this greater than, you are going to see this button. That is for Z. And this Z is the one that embodies Mike as a group programmer. If I click on this button, you will see that I have Mike is a good what? Programmer. Can you see it, everyone? Can you see it, everybody? Yes, yes, yes. So I need you all to repeat that. I need you to repeat that. Everyone, I need you to repeat that. Okay? Compile and deploy. Then your button should show anything you want it to show, okay? Anything you put inside, it should show it. Yeah, I'm waiting for you, ladies. I'm waiting for you. So if it is possible for you to share the screenshots of your remix, yes, you can please share the screenshot of your remix on the chat box. And if it is not possible, no problem. Okay, someone is saying, where will it show from? Hi, Faith. Hello, Faith.
Hello.
Yeah, is it possible for you to share your screen?
Let me see.
Okay, I'll stop sharing from my hand.
I'm unable to share my screen.
All right, but I just want to know what the problem is, Faith. What's the problem?
I'm just not sure where that message should show after deploying.
Okay, you have deployed, right?
Yes.
Can you scroll down on the deploy section? Can you scroll down? You are going to see the contract that has been deployed, 0x, stuff like that. Can you see it?
Oh, okay, yeah.
So you can see a greater than before it.
Yes.
Click on it and open it up. So can you see?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, that's good. All right. Someone says that wait, my code shows an error on the brackets. Okay. Bible. Hello, Bible. Yeah. So have you been able to solve it?
Not really.
Okay.
Because I'm also checking at the bot advice and it's different.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, just a minute.
Okay. You know what you know what I'm going to do for you? Just check the chat box. I'm going to share my code. Okay. So compare it with your code and fix the error. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Compare my code with yours and fix it. You have seen the error?
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, everyone, can we proceed now? Can we proceed? Is it getting more complicated, or is it getting more and more simple? How is it from your hand? Is it getting more and more simple or more and more complicated? How do you see it? All right. So I think we can move forward now. Okay. Yeah, let's move forward. Let's move forward. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share my screen. Please let me know if you can see my screen. Okay. Clear this. Move this inward. So now we have been able to create a string. Okay. What if you have a code and you don't want, am I audible? Are you with me, guys? Are you with me? Yeah, okay, that's good. So what if you have a code and you want to state what the code is for? For an example, this is a string code for testing for string. Okay, now you can see what I have on line 4. This is a string code. This is not a code, is it? It's not a code. I just want to explain that the next line is a string that I'm using to test for something. But what am I going to do so that the compiler will not see this line 4 as a code? There's something we call commenting. Commenting is in all programming language. Okay, so all you just have to do is to use double slash, pam pam, and with a double slash, the compiler will know that this is not a code. Instead, it is a comment. Okay, yeah, please keep that at the back of your mind. Let's continue with our programming. What if I have a is equal to 2? Now, what would be the this particular variable? Will it be a string or an integer? Will a be a string or an integer? So let's talk, ladies. I need more comments, please. More comments. Will a be a string or an integer? I've explained the difference between a string and an integer the other time. So I need you to drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Yes, you ladies are brilliant. You ladies are brilliant. You ladies are brilliant. I like it. So everyone got it. You all are brilliant. Everyone got it. So it is a what? uint. Okay. And if I compile this and deploy, you know, it's not going to show. Let's try it out. Okay, it is only showing for Z, right? It's not showing for A. Who can tell me why it is not showing for A? Who can tell me why it is not showing for A? A. A was a bootcamp for ladies only, or anyone? Yeah, the bootcamp is for ladies only. Ladies only. Okay, that's good because we are yet to set the visibility identifier. Okay, that's good. That's good. You guys are good. We are yet to set the visibility identifier. That's good. So let's set the visibility identifier. All you just have to do is to say public, and that will do the magic. Remember to delete your deployed contract, your previous deployed contracts, remember? And remember to compile again if you are not on auto compile. So I'm already on auto compile, it will compile automatically. Let me go and deploy this. Click on deploy. And if I open this up, you see A. Click on A, you are going to see what? 2. Okay, if you click on Z2, you are going to see Mike is a good programmer. So everyone, I need you to write this code, write it down, everyone, write it. Once you are done writing, drop it in the comment section for me. Drop it in the comment section for me. Let's do that, everyone. Let's do that. Let's write the code. Let's write it. Yes. Drop it. Yes. Still waiting. Keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it. Keep dropping it, keep dropping it. Keep dropping it. Yes, 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 yes. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Still waiting. I'm still waiting. Yes, 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 yes. Keep dropping it, ladies. Keep dropping it. Yes. Yes. It's only 3 people that has dropped. Yeah, now 4 people. I'm still waiting. Keep dropping, keep dropping, keep dropping, keep dropping. Yes, 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 yes. Keep dropping your code. Keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it. More, please, more. Drop your code, drop your code. Yes, 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 yes. My screen is visible. Keep dropping your code, please. Keep dropping your code. All right, so does anyone have a question for me? Any question for me? Yeah. Ask your question. If you have a question, you can raise up your hand. Any question for me? Any question for developer Mike? Any question? Yeah, any question for me? I'm still waiting. Any question? Okay, it is uint, and uint means unsigned integer. It is not unit. Okay, there's a difference between units and uint. Uint stands for unsigned integer. Please don't forget that. Okay, they are not the same at all. Okay. All right, thank you. Okay, any question for me? Yeah, Karen. Hello, Karen, you're up.
Hello, so I have a question.
Yes, please proceed.
Can we do the same, everything that you have done over here? Can it also work on another IDE, for example, Visual Studio Code? Do we have to install some extensions or something? Can it work the
Yeah,
same?
if you are to bring it on Visual Studio Code, you have to be installing some extensions. Okay, you will install a lot of extensions. So the best thing is to use Remix IDE when it comes to writing of smart contracts in order not to stress yourself. Just use Remix IDE.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, any other question before we call it a day? Any other question? Miss Aishat, I believe you've learned 1 or 2 things also. So do you have a question for me?
No, I don't have any question. Thank you very much, Mr. Michael. Thank you, ladies, for staying till the end. Bombella, you are raising your hand. Do you have a question? You can unmute your mic
Yes,
if you
good
have.
evening.
Good
Good evening,
evening.
Bombella.
Yeah, I want to know if there will be a recording for the class.
Okay, yes, Bombella, there is a recording for this class. Are you on our Telegram channel?
Yes.
Okay, so the recording will be in the Telegram channel tomorrow morning. So you can pick it up there. Also, the slide that has been used in this class would also be shared there. I mean, we already shared for yesterday, so you can see it there. Mr.
Yeah.
Michael, JB is asking in the comment section, is Remix ID an app we can download?
Most times it is online. I don't think it's an app that you can download. Okay, it's an online website where you go and write your smart contract code. Okay, it's an online app, not an app you can download. Okay.
So yeah, JB, it's a web-based app, right? So you can only access it on the website. Like you go to your website, you enter the URL, and that's how you can access it. There is no application for Remix ID. Just type in Remix ID in your URL, and you would be able to access it. Yeah. So Baby is saying, but think this is online. Oh, I think she's replying to JB that this is online. So ladies, thank you for staying till the end. JB, you're not on the Telegram channel. Let me quickly copy the Telegram channel link and share to you